going to show you how I did this look. It's just foundation, blush, contour, lipstick, and yung eyeshadows na ginawa, pang shades lang siya. So if you want to know how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Yes, this is my bare face. Unang gagawin natin is to prime our face. Ang gagamitin ko ngayon is the Benefit Porefessional Primer. This primer really minimizes your pores. So, kahit konti lang ang lagay mo, ay hindi pala konti. Yung sakto lang, yung sakto. Gonna put it here, tip of my finger. Then, saka ko ilalagay dito sa center ng face ko. So, there, sa forehead, konti pa sa cheeks, and sa chin. After natin i-prime ang ating face, it's time to move on to foundation. So, ang gagamitin kong foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. Yan, ganyan yung itsura niya. And maganda tong foundation na to because it's very cheap, hindi siya ganun kamahal. Pwede mo siyang gawing full coverage kasi it's very buildable. Anyway, ganito yung applicator niya. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan kasi ganito yung applicator niya. I-swipe mo lang siya sa yung cheeks. Ganyan. Then, I'm going to buff it with a brush. That is just one swipe. Tignan nyo yung difference ng walang foundation. Medyo madami ang pimples dyan sa may foundation. Don't forget to also put some on your neck. Para hindi lang yung face nyo yung maputi. Ingat ha. Pinagpapawisan na ako, oh my god. Sa kabilang side naman. Then, sa forehead. Long. Again. Oopsie. Blended na ang ating foundation. As you can see, medyo flawless na tayo tignan. Usually, sineset ko na yung foundation ko with the powder. Mas una ko muna yung brows. Ang gagamitin ko ngayon is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow. Always my go-to. Kailangan ko ng salamin. Follow my natural brow. Concentrate. Minsan talaga hindi ka humihinga to get that perfect arched brow. There! Kahit kilay lang, okay na ako. And eyelashes. Blend! Blending is key, sabi nga. Blending is my cardio. Blending is everything. See the difference with the may brow and without brows. Going to do the other one. Okay, after that, we are going to set our face with a setting powder. I'm going to use the Mercier Blue Setting Powder in Translucent. Gagawin ko lang is, I'm going to take this, the powder sa takip niya. Then, I'm going to dip my brush dito sa face. Set all over the face. Forehead. And also, don't forget your neck. Ngayon, we're going to do the eyes. We are going to prime our eyelids. Since wala akong eye primer, I'm just going to use a concealer para mas dumikit yung eyeshadows na ilalagay natin sa lids. So, I'm going to use this concealer. It's from Urban Decay, the Naked Skin, in the shade Light Neutral. Just put it sa lids nyo and then just spread it out using your fingers or using your brush. After putting on concealer, isa-set natin siya. Again, a translucent powder. Then, for the eyes, I'm going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This shade right here. Itong shade na to. Sorry, hindi ko alam yung pangalan. So, I'm gonna dip my brush in there and tap off. And I'm going to put it sa crease. So, after you blended it all in at satisfied na kayo sa kulay ng eyeshadow nyo, it's time to get our glitter on. Ang gagamitin kong glittery shadow, itong parang bronze, coppery, gold, this color right here. here. Para mas maging makulay yung glitter, I'm going to apply a setting spray with it. MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to dip first dito sa eyeshadow na glitter na gusto kong ilagay sa aking lid. Then, I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus. Beauty guru daw! Ay, nangyari. So, after you spray it with setting spray or Fix Plus, I'm going to put it all over my lid. By the way, I'm using a flat brush to apply the glitter all over my lid. Pag okay na, lagyan nyo na yung eyelids nyo nung glitter. After that, we're just going to blend again para walang maging harsh line. And just blend our two shades na nalagay sa lids natin. Siyempre, hindi natin malilimutan ang lower lash line natin. I'm going to say blending brush na ginamit natin kanina and dip unang shade na ginamit natin. Pinipihit ko siya ng ganito. Then, saka ko siya biniblend. Then, blend again. Mukhang weird lang to sa simula, but after we put our mascara and fake eyelashes, magiging okay na yan. We're going to put some mascara. Gagamitin ko ang L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise as my mascara. Other one. Ngayon, I'm going to put on some false lashes and I'll be right back. Ito na ang look with the eyelashes. Now, it's time to finish our face. We are going to contour. So, ang gagamitin kong pang-contour ngayon is the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette in Caramel Toffee. Ang gagamitin kong brush is this one. Ganito siya. Beauty vlogger! Be very careful in dipping into these shades kasi it's very pigmented. Isang dip lang, then tap off the excess, then start contouring. Moist. After contouring your face, pag medyo satisfied na kayo sa contoured face nyo, next is to go into the parang banana powder just to brighten up our under eye. Yung ginamit natin kaninang pang-set, parang tapered brush. Blah. Then, just put it under our eyes. So, after that, we're going to put on some blush. Ang gagamitin kong blush is from Becca Cosmetics. It's a blush trio palette. And ang gagamitin kong shade dito is this one. It's called Wisteria. And gagamit ako ng blush, brush. And I'm going to dip the brush dito sa shade na to, this Wisteria shade. And lalagay natin sa apples na ating cheeks. After applying your blush, it's now time to highlight our face. Sweets Glow Kit. And kukuha ko ng pang-highlight na brush. So, ito, medyo nasira ko siya. Hindi medyo nasira ko talaga siya. My favorite highlighting shade in this palette is the Butterscotch. Ganito siya. Ganito yung kulay niya. I'm going to dip my brush in the Butterscotch shade. And I will just put dito sa high point ng ating face. This area right here. Parami yata, pero okay. Oh! Highlight! So, masyadong maraming highlight, but oh my God! Hulog yung salamin ko. Tip ng ating nose. Pwede mo din siyang gawing inner corner highlight. Again, taking another small flat brush and applying it sa inner corner ng aking eyes. For the lips, I'm going to use the Ysabelle Cosmetics Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Phoebe. And going to apply this on my lips. Ang ganda dito, it's very creamy and it smells so good. Pwede ko siyang kainin, but no. And it's very easy to apply. Gusto kong maging medyo glossy yung itsura ng aking lips. So, I'm going to put the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss on top of it. So, I'm again using the MAC Fix Plus to set my makeup. So guys, this is the finished look. This look is very perfect for any occasions like birthday parties, weddings, meetings, or just magtatapon ka lang ng basura sa labas. Uulong ka, mag-groceries. Pwedeng-pwede niyo tong gawin just for those activities. I wanted to thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it. And after watching this video, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you on my next video. So, thanks! Bye! So weird. Another small flat brush. Here's the look.